name is Mary, and we are taking place in the Toy Exhibition 2025 in Shanghai. And here is IC. Nice to meet you, IC. Can you please let me know what is the name of your company, where does it locate, how many employees are working, and already what is your main purpose on the market?
Okay, our company name is Hebei Boting. You can see that. And our company was located in Hebei province and was founded in 2008. Our factory covers an area of more than 2,000 square meters and with more than 100 employees.
Okay. All right. And what is the main market?
Main market, Europe.
Okay. Do you have any certificates?
Yes. Some toys we have got CPC.
Yeah. Only CPC?
Yeah.
All right. So maybe you can show us, demonstrate your best seller.
Okay.
Best seller. Probably this one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's have a look. Why this is the best seller? What is the feature?
We use felt material to make the felt Christmas tree. Okay.
So you can make it by yourself, yeah?
Yes. This one advantage is it can foldable. It can space more space.
All right. Yeah.
The highlight is we put the light strip inside the tree.
It has a battery.
Battery. Yes. Yes. It can change 3 types of the light. We can accept OEM and ODM orders.
So according to the customer's request, they can make whatever they want.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about the new launch product 2026?
This one. This one is our newest product. We use the felt material to develop some paddle toys.
This is eco material.
Yes, recycled.
Recycled material.
Yeah.
So I have a question. What is the age limit? Like from which age you can use already this?
我听不懂。
从几岁你可以开始玩？
从几岁 ？Under 3 age. The advantage is not wood. It has no burns and not easy to break, and kids can color it.
Color, yeah. It's safe, it's interesting, interactive.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. Have a look at this plate, yeah.
It's not easy to break.
Yeah, and it's also not too easy to construct. It's like jigsaw, yeah. It's for developing your brains, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So if you have any other information, for all requests, please contact IC. There is a WhatsApp number, WeChat QR code, Gmail, yeah. Please feel free to ask IC. She will be glad to help you.